हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सक्सेस ड्रीम पाथ। आज की क्लास में हम लोग कंप्यूटर का 2500 प्लस क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज का पार्ट 4 करने जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 4 नेटवर्किंग फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 to 1 से। व्हाट इज अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क? इंटरकनेक्शन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पज ऑफ अ नेटवर्क? रिसोर्स शेयरिंग। Which device connects computer in a network? Switch. Which device connects different networks? Router. Which device broadcasts data to all nodes? Hub. What is LAN? Local area network. Local area network. Which network covers a small area? LAN. What is MAN? Metropolitan area network. Which network covers the city? Man. What is WAN? Wide area network. Which network covers large geographical area? WAN. Which is the largest network in the world? Internet. What is Internet? Network of networks. Which protocol is used to browse websites? HTTP. What is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. ये तो सबको पता होगा. Which protocol provides secure web browsing? HTTPS. HTTPS. What is the full form of HTTPS? Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secured. Which protocol is used for file transfer? FTP. What is the full form of FTP? File Transfer Protocol. Which protocol is used for sending emails? SMTP. What is the full form of SMTP? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Which protocol is used to receive emails? POP3. What is the full form of POP? Post Office Protocol. Which protocol allows accessing email from server? IMAP. What is the full form of IMAP? Internet Message Access Protocol. What is IP address? Unique network address. What is the full form of IP? Internet Protocol. Which IP version uses 32-bit address? IPv4. Which IP version uses 128-bit address? IPv6. Which address identifies a device or network? IP address. What is MAC address? Physical address. Which address is assigned by manufacturer? MAC address. What is the full form of MAC? Media Access Control. Which which network topology connects all nodes to central device? A start topology. Which topology uses single backbone cable? Bus topology. Which topology forms a closed loop? Ring topology. Which topology is most reliable? Mesh topology. Which topology is costliest? Mesh topology. Which topology is easiest to install? Bus topology. What is network protocol? Set of rules. Which protocol is connection oriented? TCP. Which protocol is connectionless? UDP. What is the full form of TCP? Transmission Control Protocol. What is the full form of UDP? User Datagram Protocol. Which protocol ensure reliable data delivery? TCP. Which protocol is faster but unreliable? UDTP. UDP. Which device filters traffic by IP address? Firewall. What is firewall? Network security device. Which network attacked flood traffic? DOS attack. What is the full form of DOS? Denial of service. Which device connects LAN to internet? Router. Which device works at network layer? Router. Which device works at data link layer? Switch. Which OSI layer is responsible for end-to-end communication? Transport layer. Which OSI layer provides logical addressing? Network layer. Which OSI layer provides physical transmission? physical layer. Which OSI layer ensures error detection? Data link layer. Which OSI layer handles inscriptions? Presentation layer. Which OSI layer manages sessions? Sessions layer. Which OSI layer interacts with user? Application layer. How many layers are there in OSI model 7? What is the full form of OSI? Open System Interconnection. Which OSI layer provides framing? Data link layer. Which OSI layer performs routing? Network layer. Which OSI layer provides flow control? Transfer transport layer. Which OSI layer breaks data into segments? Transport layer. Which OSI layer breaks data into frames? Data link layer. Which OSI layer breaks data into bits? Physical layer. Which protocol works at application layer? HTTP. HTTP का तो फुल फॉर्म याद हो गया होगा. Which protocol works at transport layer? TCP. Which protocol works at network layer? IP. Which protocol works at data link layer? ARP. What is the full form of ARP? Address Resolution Protocol. ये जरूर से याद करिएगा क्योंकि एग्जाम में बहुत बार पूछा जाता है. Which protocol converts IP to MAC? ARP. Which protocol converts MAC to IP? RARP. What is the full form RARP? ये भी पूछा जाता है, याद कर लीजिएगा. अभी तुरंत याद करिए. रिवर्स एड्रेस रिजोल्यूशन प्रोटोकॉल. फिर से पढ़िए. रिवर्स एड्रेस रिजोल्यूशन प्रोटोकॉल. Which network uses wireless communication? VLAN. What is the full form of VLAN? Wireless Local Area Network. Which device provides Wi-Fi connectivity? access point. बात के लिए मत छोड़िए, तुरंत याद करते जाइए कि आपको दिमाग में बैठ जाए, फिर दोबारा भूलिएगा भी नहीं. Which network standard is used for Wi-Fi? IEEE 802.11. तो चलिए यहाँ पे आपका पार्ट 4 कंप्लीट होता है.